Hello all, good morning. So today I thought I will review this extreme power demolition hammer or jackhammer. Um, I think I have already assembled it. It's quite simple. Let me explain it later. Now earlier I had purchased auger machine from Weaver. The soil here in Texas, Houston is very hard. It is almost a rock soil. So the auger machine actually failed because it could not dig into this rock soil. Despite of modifying the blades also, making it sharper teeth also helped, but it did not solve the problem. Then I thought of trying this jackhammer, and then I purchased this extreme power demolition hammer or jackhammer. And here is the box I got. I got this particular box. I think they have packed it very well, very nicely. They have given multiple bits here. The one I purchased along with the shovel. If you have seen, I've already assembled the shovel here. It's very easy assembly. And they have given other two bits here. This is one bit, sharp bit, and another variation, I guess, and a small manual and a spanner. I don't know why they have given this spanner and kind of spring thing. I didn't even need this spanner and Allen key. It was very simple. I just inserted the shovel inside. It has a kind of auto lock mechanism, and I did start working on it. Then I thought of taking the video. So far it is impressive. It is, you see here how it has dug so much already. This is super hard soil actually. It's not easy to dig it. As I said, the Weaver machine, any auger machine struggled. You see the surface is so hard and it has become smooth here. Now let's go for a quick demo. I'm going to place it here. Let's see how beautifully it works. So far beautiful. Let's see. Pretty impressive. It's capable of even breaking the concrete, but I wanted to just plant a tree, so I have started my process. There is some vibration. I think there is no escape from vibration, but it is not too much. See how it has dug. I had to spend 1 hour to dig 2 small holes using auger machine, and look at this, it has made a great progress. I think it is very good. So that's it. I think this is a good machine. I'm not advertising, just wanted to share my feedback for this product. And this shovel is very nice. And one more tip I would give you: make sure it works well on a harder surface. Harder the surface, better the hammering capability. If you try to dig on a soft surface, it will not provide enough power. So not like you can dig it on a stone, but concrete and others is harder, right? So it can provide more power. Harder the surface, harder the target, higher the power it delivers. That's amazing. Thank you all. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.